Hi, my name is Ernesto Rollon. I am one of the regional engineers at Rollon Corporation for the United States. When selecting a linear actuator, customers often ask an important question. Out of all the different drivetrains available, belt, pneumatic cylinder, ball screw, which system is best for my application? To determine what is best will depend more on what you need to accomplish than a specific technology. In answering these questions, we need to consider some very important application aspects to determine which drivetrain is best. At Rollon, we manufacture linear actuators with three different drivetrain options: recirculating belt, ball screw, and rack and pinion system. When sizing a linear actuator, we determine the most efficient drivetrain system by dividing the customer's application data into 8 key components. We combine the first letters of each of these components to create the simple yet applicable memory phrase actuator. Let's examine each individual letter and use this word to select the most suitable drivetrain. For the first letter, A, represents accuracy. By accuracy, we not only refer to positional accuracy, but also system repeatability, as well as general mechanical accuracies such as parallelism, flatness, and straightness, if applicable. The second letter, C, represents capacity, or in basic terms, load. How much load do I need to move? Do I need to consider extra pull or push force to complete my machine's process? Thirdly, we consider our first letter T, or travel. Simply put, this answers the question of how much travel or stroke do I need? Ball screw actuators are limited to about 1.5 meters due to their speed limitations at higher strokes, while belt and rack systems can reach hundreds of feet. Next, we have the letter U, which represents usage. Basically, we need to consider how frequently the actuator will be used. In the world of industrial automation, this translates to what is known as the cycle rate, or parts per minute. The second letter A, in our memory phrase, stands for atmosphere. By this, we refer to the application's environment. Will there be flying debris? Will there be washdown fluid? Is it safe to use an exposed belt system, or do I need external protection? The second letter T represents a very critical component, the concept of timing. How soon do I need my actuator? Rollon boasts some of the most competitive lead times in the market due to our American manufacturing presence. The O in this memory phrase captures the concept of orientation of my application. Will my application be flat down, or do I need to lift my product vertically? Lastly, we consider the R, or rates of the application. How fast will I need to move? As you can see, capturing this information in a brief and concise manner is not only possible, but easy to do. Defining these variables may seem basic, yet this is the only way to make sure that you, our customer, get what you need.